Namaskar दोस्तों. In this video we will understand what is the difference between new tax regime and old tax regime. So in budget 2023, as we all know, our finance minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman has introduced default regime as the new regime only. So अगर आपको new regime लेना है तो you don't have to do anything because default tax regime आपका new ही रहेगा. But if you want to take old tax regime, then you have to select yes in that particular option given in ITR. वहाँ पे एक option रहता है that do you want to opt out of 115 BAC and there are options yes or no. So अगर आप yes select करते हैं then आप opt out कर जाते हो new regime से और आप old tax regime में taxability आपका आएगा. So does that thing is enough to take old tax regime? No. इसके साथ साथ आपको एक फॉर्म 10I भी फाइल करना पड़ेगा on or before the due date of filing ITR so as to take the old tax regime. But again this has one more exception that अगर आपका कोई business income नहीं है, अगर जैसे कि अगर आप salaried person हो या फिर आपका सिर्फ HP income ही है, rental income ही आता है, so you can again take old tax regime. That means you can opt out without filing 10I also. So now we will understand what is the difference between old tax regime and new tax regime. So old tax regime में तो आपका simple था, जो tax rate था कि up to 2.5 lakhs the tax rate was nil, 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh the tax rate was 5%, 5 lakh to 10 lakh the tax rate was 20% and 10 lakhs के above आपका tax rate था 30%. But new tax regime में आपका जो इस ईयर के लिए that means assessment year 24-25 के लिए जो है आपका tax rate है up to 3 lakhs it is nil, 3 lakhs to 6 lakh it is 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs it is 10% and 9 lakhs to 12 lakh it is 15% and 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs it is 20% and above 15 lakhs it is 30%. So sir अगर tax rate new tax regime में कमी है तो why would anybody opt out to old tax regime? Because old tax regime में तो आपका 30% लग जाता है above 10 lakhs and new tax regime में तो above 15 lakhs आपका 30% लगता है. देखिए दोस्तों, tax rate new tax regime में कम तो है, that is for sure. So आपका taxability new tax regime में कम आएगा. But old tax regime में आपको deductions लेने का फायदा है which is not available in new tax regime. So आपको क्या करना है, आपको old tax regime के हिसाब से computation पहले करना है by taking all the deductions and everything and आपको new tax regime के हिसाब से भी computation करना है by applying the new tax rates. So जिसमें आपका taxability कम आएगा वो वाला regime आपको opt कर लेना है. For more questions you can easily reach me out guys. This is my first video. I'll keep making more videos like this and thank you very much and bye-bye.